What's going on, guys? Dave here, and welcome to QC Dads. On this channel, we discuss some of the latest technology going on in the world. In today's video, we're going to do a review on the Vue glasses. Very, very clever. Here I have the classic model, which is a rectangular shape. They also come in a trendy model, which is more of a circular shape here. And they do offer some accent colors. Here I have the carbon fiber, but it comes in a traditional black. It also comes in a green marble as well as a brown wood, which I would say is very, very nice. Now, and the reason I picked these guys up is because they came in a really good price of $300, and for the most part, they look like a regular pair of glasses. Now, these charge using the USB-C charging, which is really nice. So none of those old charging standards like micro and mini, which is kind of cool. Also, while using these glasses, I noticed that they have really good call quality for those of us who actually make phone calls today. Otherwise, you're gonna get all day battery life. And one other thing, which may be kind of minor, but is really important to me, is when you charge these, they're really easy to dock. Other than that, you can connect these to Apple Health Kit, but a little bit more on that a little bit later. Otherwise, these are rain and sweat resistant, and I just feel like these have better styling than the Amazon Echo frames. Now, before we move on to comfort, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, ensure that you're subscribed so you can continue to get more content from QC Dads. Now, in terms of comfort, I just feel like these are... What are you doing? I'm just trying to finish this, video. Sorry. In terms of comfort, I just feel like these don't offer the same amount of comfort as my... Actually, you know what? Why don't you tell them about the frames, the Nike frames that you wear and how comfortable they are? All right, I appreciate it. I'll just hang out here. All right, so what it is these frames are just much lighter, and they don't have those bone conduction speakers that kind of press up against your brain, which is kind of cool. Are you finished? I guess I'm finished. I appreciate it. All right. I just feel like I can't wear these all day in comparison to the glasses that this guy is wearing. Yep. But I do wish that these were adjustable, but I get it. You know, you can't really warm these frames up to get that perfect adjustment like you would with a standard pair of glasses. Now, these glasses are going to offer a new way of listening to music, which is using technology, which is called bone conduction. Now, this is the first time I've actually used this technology, and I will say that I just feel like maybe I'm just spoiled you by my AirPod Pros, but I feel like the audio quality is definitely below average. I will say that if I'm in a noisy area, I can't hear anything in terms of my music. In contrast, if I'm in a quiet area and I'm listening to music, no one can hear the music that I'm listening to. So I guess it's a bit of a trade-off. Some other trade-offs that you may want to consider is when I'm using this with my Apple Watch, I notice the connection kind of goes in and out, or my music goes in and out when I'm listening to music, particularly when I'm doing workouts. And I don't know if that's because of the Bluetooth 4.0. I don't know if they've incorporated Bluetooth 5.0 without have that issue. Also, I just haven't had any success with the step counter associated with these Vue glasses. And I also notice when I'm using YouTube to watch videos, the audio versus the video has a bit of a lag. I will say I didn't notice that when I was using YouTube using Safari on my phone, so it may be something associated with the app itself. Other than that, I have had one instance when the glasses just wouldn't charge, but I just had to do a reset. I went on Vue's website and I was able to reset them, and everything worked fine moving forward. Now, using these glasses, I feel like these glasses definitely complement your iPhone or your Android. You can control the glasses on the right hand side here. You can hold, you can swipe, or you can double tap. This is going to allow you to actually launch Siri. You can get the time, You can also change your tracks and adjust the volume pretty much however you want to set this up. Also, you can, get your steps if it, whatever, count my steps. But I do wish there was other ways to, what's that? There is other ways to control the glasses? Oh, you know what? Guys, there's other ways that you can control the glasses. Actually, you can, it looks like it's in the alpha. Okay, it's in the alpha stage right now, but they're working on having the ability to nod to answer a call, and then you can shake your head to shuffle your music. So I really appreciate that. But yeah, I think that's going to be kind of cool once it, I guess, leaves alpha. And it's a part of the standard software with the Vue glasses itself. Now inside the box you do get a charging case, you get a microfiber wipe, you get the USB-C cable to charge the unit itself, and you get the glasses itself. Now I felt the customer service was really good. To get these glasses, it took about 2 weeks, which I think is pretty quick to get a pair of prescription glasses. Also, I felt like the customer service was great when I was kind of going back and forth in terms of what kind of lenses I needed for my prescription. And in closing, kind of wanted to rewind back to the Apple Health Kit issue with the step counter. It connects with Health Kit, but the step counter just doesn't work, so it's almost pointless. I don't know if it's because I have an app. I don't know why. It just doesn't work. Otherwise, I think this is a great buy for the price. There are some opportunities if you do have insurance to maybe get a kickback of some sort for these glasses. But yeah, if you have any questions about these glasses, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I will talk to you guys later. You guys take it easy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.